Qualcomm wants to help build the metaverse. You're a big metaverse guy, man. Zuckerberg, the words barely came out of his mouth, and then every 2 seconds, like, Lou, consider the metaverse. So why don't you just go ahead? Go ahead.
Well, they're looking to build a metaverse.
Go ahead, Will.
That's pretty much it.
Go ahead.
Snapdragon Spaces is yet another mixed reality platform designed to support the coming wave of AR glasses.
So you went Snapdragon to Snapdragon here. Mm-hmm. Like it or not, everyone's talking about the metaverse. And now Qualcomm's trying to get into the mix with a new AR development platform called Qualcomm Spaces. Described as a multi-device AR development platform and ecosystem, Qualcomm is hoping Snapdragon Spaces will provide the building blocks for creating new AR apps intended for next-gen headsets and beyond. Headsets. Mm-hmm. They have an interest in the AR headsets. I mean, everybody does. There seems to be some sort of critical component, some critical metaverse component. AR, VR. VR.
Universes.
Social media? Does that make it into the metaverse? I mean, it would have
Hopefully
to.
not.
It would have to, though.
Yeah.
Hopefully not. Are you sensitive?
Well, I mean,
yeah.
People are arguing on social media all the time. And then is it going to be like in a virtual space where it becomes like a war?
Absolutely.
Oh.
Yeah.
No one wants that.
I don't know why it has to happen all the time, but it seems to. Like,
okay, yeah, go on.
Well, it just seems unavoidable that you put a bunch of people into a space, unless everything is generated. But it's not, right? It's supposed to be actual people in their avatars. And
yes.
So then, yeah, you're going to have disagreements.
That's true, yeah.
Unless people select for environments that can't possibly result in such things. But I think it's impossible. And those places are probably equally unhealthy because then people just convince one another that their way of thinking is the only way to think.
Unless you build your own, like, bubble. And then you just live inside it.
Well, you know what? You're right, Will, because it's not about disagreeing about something or having an alternative opinion. What it's really about is taking it to an unhealthy point. See, like you and I, we could disagree on something and be like, oh, okay, that's interesting. And that's the extent. But like it's more the stress and the mechanics of these and maybe the scale of these things that makes it hard to respectfully disagree. You have to disagree with tremendous fury and fire.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, I get it. I think a lot of it comes from frustration and lack of resolution. You don't really see, there's a lot of reasons for this.
Yeah. If you're placed into like a virtual world where you can interact with the person that you're arguing with, or just have some sort of minor disagreement, would it be less dramatic?
It could go either way. It depends on the tools inside this metaverse. I mean, are there guns in there?
There's definitely guns. Believe you me.
Well, then it's a huge problem, man.
You can't kill them.
Why not?
Well, it's virtual.
Oh, right. You can't kill them actually.
Yeah.
Well, what about in the Matrix? How did that work? If you kill them... No, don't even... Whatever. There was a connection between their virtual existence and their...
Yeah, if you die in the Matrix, you die in real life.
Yeah, how though?
I guess your brain realizes that it's just no more. It can't function.
I don't recall. I need to watch that movie again. It's been a while. I know they're putting on another one, and it's probably gonna. I don't.
All right.
Did you watch? We watched the trailer to the other one. Don't you remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it gonna be good? Can you tell me?
I'm excited for it.
All right.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
You had a different response when the word crypto came up.
Yeah. Well, I'm looking forward to this metaverse. I'll be in it, arguing with people.
Will, you're definitely not arguing with people. You're the last guy to be arguing with people.
No, I'm good. I'm just joking.